United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 311, Relation to other conventions and international agreements. 1. This convention shall prevail, as between states parties, over the Geneva Conventions on the Law of the Sea of the 29th of April 1958. 2. This convention shall not alter the rights and obligations of states parties, which arise from other agreements compatible with this convention, and which do not affect the enjoyment by other states parties of their rights, or the performance of their obligations under this convention. 3. Two or more states parties may conclude agreements modifying or suspending the operation of provisions of this convention, applicable solely to the relations between them, provided that such agreements do not relate to a provision derogation from which is incompatible with the effective execution of the object and purpose of this convention, and provided further that such agreements shall not affect the application of the basic principles embodied herein, and that the provisions of such agreements do not affect the enjoyment by other states parties of their rights, or the performance of their obligations under this convention. 4. States parties intending to conclude an agreement referred to in paragraph 3 shall notify the other states parties, through the depositary of this convention, of their intention to conclude the agreement and of the modification or suspension for which it provides. 5. This article does not affect international agreements expressly permitted or preserved by other articles of this convention. 6. States parties agree that there shall be no amendments to the basic principle relating to the common heritage of mankind set forth in Article 136, and that they shall not be party to any agreement in derogation thereof.